So we have right now the #1 and 2 and 3 and 4 up to 9 best-selling toys.
Isaac Larian knows toys. He's the CEO of MGA Entertainment, one of the most successful toy makers in the U.S.
Now, which of these toys here on the wall are made in the United States?
None of them are made in the United States.
None of them?
None of them. If you make this toy sells for $14.99. It's called LOL Hair Goals. It's the #1 selling toy in America. If you made this in the USA, the consumers will pay $40 for it. They won't buy it for $40, so the kids will not have this toy. It's impossible to make a lot of toys in the USA.
As the U.S.-China trade war heats up, President Donald Trump gives companies some simple advice. Last September, he tweeted, "Make your products in the United States instead of China. Start building new plants now. Exciting." But trade experts say trying to replace China's factories isn't an exciting idea. It's a bad one.
We have so many strengths that we should be working with rather than trying to duplicate the industries of the past.
Today's U.S. economy is based on providing services and ideas, not heavy industry. And China's advantage isn't just in lower labor costs.
From toys to television sets to technology, the U.S. simply lacks the manufacturing infrastructure and expertise to produce many of the items which are now made in China.
CEO Isaac Larian gives one example.
I've been doing toys for 40 years. Hair grooming on the toys and hair rooting is a skill you cannot have in here. It's a shortage of expertise. Do we want to wait for 30 years, 40 years for America to become the biggest doll manufacturer in USA, in the world? It's silly. It's silly.
But there are hundreds of highly paid workers at Larian's company headquarters.
The design, the creativity is coming out of their brain, and they are paid a lot more for that.
The moral of this story of toys, tariffs, and trade is that the U.S. economy runs on creative brain power, not industrial brawn. Rob Reynolds, Aljazeera, Chatsworth, California.